Hi everyone, welcome back to Chop's Garage, and today we are back on the Camry. So back on the Camry today, it needs its detail now, doesn't it? Obviously we've done all that paint work, now it's out in the sunshine looking at that wing. I do want to wet sand that, level it off, or key it up and re-lacquer it to get smoother finish. I normally get a finish like glass on lacquer. It was a lot better on this side, but I know the difference was I heated the can before spraying for this repair down here. That's come back with a decent finish. Mine's just a little bit orange peel than that. Normally it comes out of those cans really nice. I don't know why today it's been more orange peely on this last job. I can normally, like I say, get a glass like finish and don't have to machine polish or wet sand afterwards. So we'll either key it up and re-lacquer it wetter, or we'll wet sand it and see how we get on. But yeah, most important thing at the moment is give the thing a really good clean. Since I've brought it outside, I've spotted a bit I forgot on the bottom of the door that needs doing down here where it's bubbling. But I think what we'll do is detail it and then get that done, and then we want to go for a good test drive, because we had all that work done, like I say, new water pump, cam belt, oil and filters, discs, pads, tyres, catalytic converter. We want to take it for a nice test drive and check that it's all working well, because then it's going to be up for grabs for one of you to win it, isn't it? So let's get cracking and get it cleaned up. I am still, by the way, absolutely loving my giraffe jet wash. So for those who haven't seen one before, I was had to pull the hose out and then had to get the jet wash out, get all of that, and then take power out here, risk of electrocuting myself by getting over the extension lead, just tripping over it all. Now I've just got that one reel there with the jet wash. Jobs are good, and so loving that. I will check the discount code is still available for you guys. I really need to mount it outside so that I don't have to do this bit, but I'm worried it's going to get nicked. Yeah, I'll see if the discount code is still available for you. A few of you did get it off the last discount code, and you're loving it as well, but it's just made life so much easier.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good. You look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So that's all the polishing done. I did decide to wet sand that front wing at the same time. So by that, what I mean is soapy water, 1200 grit, 2000 grit, 3000 grit sandpaper. You have to be brave to do it. You have to know you put a lot of lacquer on to do it. But I just wanted to give it a bit more of a shine. Out there is the best paintwork in the world. I've done better, I've done worse, but it's nice and reflective. Better than the orange peely it was at first. And the car overall looks a lot better after that machine polish. So last thing we'll do is give this a coating of the GT Shine sealant. Still loving this stuff. It's the easiest to apply ceramic coating there is. Got one of their buffing towels as well. Don't forget, link as always down below for you to get your own GT Shine with a decent discount. So yeah, we'll give it a coating all over and then roll out into the sunshine for you to have a look. There we have it, everyone. Our 2-litre Toyota Camry automatic. And what a little stunner she looks now. Still not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but quite a bit different from the car that arrived. If you remember, we saved this from main dealer part exchange yard with 200 and, was it 200 and, I think I had it in the screen a minute ago, 230,000 miles, something like that on it. Chap had it for a really long time, loads of paperwork. It was just looking very tired for itself. So we popped it down to Moore's and it had new discs and pads all round, new tyres all round, new catalytic converter, new cam belt, oil and filters. We went through this thing completely. We sorted that ding out in the front wing, or at least Brooke did, repainted that rear spoiler, gave it a machine polish, a wet clean on the carpets inside, treated all of the leather, which is looking really good. There are still some marks and so forth in it, but it's allowed to at this age, isn't it? But overall, the interior looks fantastic. I absolutely love the way this has come out. What we're going to do, as we did with the London taxi cab, is we're going to set up a raffle with the provider Raphael. Again, as per previous raffles, we're going to have an alternative prize of some tech equipment if you don't actually want the car but you want to still support the raffle or win the tech equipment. And we're going to have some second and third prizes as well, because as I said in a previous video, what I've been asking all of my sponsors to do is, rather than pay me to do sponsored placements, is to give me additional tech equipment so I can offer them out in the charity raffles. Obviously, this car is all set to go. It's got its advisory free MOT, as you know. It's had its cam belt done, it's had its brakes done, its tyres, everything like that. It's all set to go. Whoever gets this car is going to get a cracker. I think you could happily turn up at something like the Festival on the Unexceptional next year in this one, or you could go to a local car meet, and I think you're not going to see another one of these. But you could just enjoy driving something different. It's going to need ongoing maintenance. It's an old car, and you know, if you win it for £1, then perhaps you'll invest the money in having some more of the paintwork done and make it absolutely pucker. Either way, whoever gets it, I know is going to enjoy it. So in terms of what other prizes we've got a Launch C-Reader Professional. Topdon have given us one of their new code readers that's also a battery tester. We've got some GT Shine ceramic kits. We've got another Topdon jump pack. We've got some King Bolan minis and a new King Bolan smart scan tool. So we've got loads of other goodies here. Massive thanks as always to our sponsors for supporting the charity raffles as well. Absolute legends for doing that. So as I said, I'm going to set the raffle up, and I'll put a link in the description down below so you can go and join it. They've added a new feature as well. It allows me to add bundle offers as well. So the more tickets you get, you're going to get some more free on top. As a reminder, so far we've raised £6,113, and we've supported the North Devon Hospice. We supported the Grand Appeal. We haven't written them up here yet, but we also supported the Children's Charity Cancer for their haircut, didn't we? and the Devon Air Ambulance, so we need to get those in there as well. It's now live on the Raphael site. That's the company that manages all, make sure that everything is done correctly. They automatically pull the winners electronically. They underwrite the competition, so if any reason I disappeared off tomorrow, someone would still get their prizes. So it's all set up. So after your feedback, we decided that the charity that would be supported would be you all basically, what I was getting from you was you didn't want it going to some big corporate charity where the CEO got like 150 grand a year. You wanted it to go to somewhere local. So I asked about a bit, and I found this great cause. It's the East of the Water Community Food Pantry. So this is in Bideford, Devon. Now, this is a local little charity set up by this local lad, Jack Taylor, who was born with Sotos syndrome and autism. Wanted to help the local community and set up a food bank. They have a quite active Facebook page. Now, one of the reasons for choosing this is I read recently with the cost of living issues that actually their donations have gone down a lot, and even some of the people that were helping them out before are now find themselves in a financial situation where they're having to go to the food bank for food. Now, obviously, there's a lot of debate over why we should have to have food banks in a country like ours, but it is what it is. And I think that would be based on your feedback saying you don't want it to go somewhere a big CEO is getting a big payout. You want it to go to somewhere local that's really going to help people. I think this is a good choice. Actually live on the raffle site as a known charity, but I've now managed to get them added. So as you see, they are down there, East of the Water Community Food Pantry. So yeah, we've got it all set up. It's all ready to go. The car is there for you to win. I say, or you've got the alternative option of a tech bundle like we did with the taxi. And we'll do the same thing. If whoever wins it decides they want a tech bundle, not the Toyota Camry, we will do a quick auction off of the Camry, and whatever it sells for will also go to the charity as well. But that's a tech bundle you can get. One King Bolan smart diagnostic scan tool, a Top-Don RT-Link 500B battery, a Top-Don jump surge, and GT Shine ceramic kit. And then there's 6 other prizes we've got, which is another 2 King Bolan IE diagnostic machines and 3 GT ceramics coatings. Massive thanks to the sponsors there for giving us those for the raffles. So yeah, we've been able to put some bundles together for those of you that get in early. We've got 7-day offer where if you buy 5 tickets you get 1 free, 10 tickets you get 5 free, 25 tickets you get 30 free, and if you buy 50 tickets you get 100 tickets free. So look out for the bundle offers when you go in, give you more chances of winning for the same money. So best of luck to you. Whoever wins this car I think is going to be well chuffed. I've driven it around for a couple of days now, and it is a brilliant car. It really sort of reminds you of how cars should have been made in the past, and obviously we're going to be able to help out. Like I say, I think it's going to be a nice surprise for that charity as well, because I can't imagine a small local charity like that would probably get the level of support that this hopefully will bring. So let's go for it. There's a link in the description down below.